Hello everyone and welcome to Intermediate Swift 2.1 series. Let me explain you what this series is about. This series is based on the Swift Programming Language 2.1. This is a free ebook that you can find on iTunes and you can find on iBook for free. It's about 561 pages. I read this book cover to cover, I explore it, I tested all the code that is offered on this book, and what I'm doing is I have currently 3 courses. I have about 1600 students on my course, and I know what the problem my students has been having and what are the main questions they ask me all the time. So I decided to get the main chapters on this book that relates to the questions that my students commonly ask me and transform these chapters into courses. And why did I do just such small course? So let me show you the course I'm gonna be offering you. So each one of this is a chapter. So properties, optionals, methods, closures, protocols, inheritance, extensions, genericals, instance life cycles, and type systems. So I'm gonna be doing one course for each, and the reason behind it is not all students have problem in all of the subjects. Not all of them need to, for example, some people have problem with optionals, but they great with properties. Others have problem with protocols, but they great with generics. So there is no reason for, it's not one size fits all. So you need to find out where you have problem, where you need to address, and look for the course is gonna fit you best. At this course, we're gonna be seeing properties. That is where I have been seeing lots of people having lots of problems. And that's where I'm gonna start. I'm gonna be following the order you've been seeing here. In this course, we're gonna be seeing storage properties, getters, setters, computer properties. We're gonna be seeing much more actually. We're gonna be seeing storage properties, lazy storage properties, read-only computer properties with getters and setters, property observers. We're gonna be seeing will set and did set. So this is what we're gonna be seeing on this course. So these courses are gonna be short, but they are gonna be going deeper on each topic. I think if you have problem with properties, you're gonna love. If you don't, but you have problem with some of the other topics like optionals, methods, closures, protocols, you definitely must come back and check it out, this other course when they come out, because they are gonna be exploring all the details that's available on the book from Apple. And definitely is gonna be a great thing to have in your arsenal for future reference and for any case when you needed, a helping hand as well. I will be here. I will be behind this course. I will be giving my support and I will be helping you. As always, this course has 30 days money back guarantee. If this is not what you're looking for, if you don't think this short course is the answer for you, you can always claim your money back. No questions asked, no hard feelings. It's okay, I understand. It's a trial for me as well. So I hope I see you inside the course. I hope hear from you. What do you think? Let me know and let's have a chat. So press enroll now. Watch the first lecture. send me a message and I'll see you inside.